Hello and welcome. This guide is for you, the ambitious entrepreneur, Delhi, Karachi, Dhaka. With a brilliant idea and the drive to make it global. You might be a software developer, a creative designer, a skilled consultant, or an e-commerce seller. You're looking at the massive US market and wondering, how can I get a piece of that pie? It's not just possible, it's more straightforward than you think. You don't need to move to the US. This guide is your roadmap to get started right now, from right where you are. So, why even bother with a US company? Trust. Access. A US registered business builds credibility under a familiar legal system, making customers more comfortable buying from you. Every great business starts with a single clear idea. Don't try to boil the ocean. Start small and focused. Choose one product or one service you can deliver exceptionally well. For founders in India, Pakistan, and Bangladesh, digital and service businesses are simplest to launch. Think about your skills: writing code, designing websites, managing social media, or expert coaching. Sell to US clients from your home office with little upfront cost. Check if the US market wants it. Start with Google. Search the problem you solve. Who shows up on page 1? Open competitors, see their offers, find pricing, and set a baseline. Check marketplaces and read reviews to learn what customers love and hate. Reach out. Hi, I'm exploring a new web design service for small businesses. 2 quick questions? Most will help. Their answers are gold. You'll know competitors, pricing, needs. Then pick your unique spot. Lower price or faster, personal service. Validation is crucial. It saves time and money and turns guesses into a plan. Go talk to people and learn. Now that you have a validated idea, it's time to create the legal structure in the US manageable, not scary. For most foreign founders, it's 2 choices: LLC or C Corp, the limited liability company, and the C Corporation. LLCs are most popular for freelancers, solo entrepreneurs, and small businesses. Limited liability protects personal assets like your home, car, and savings. Your business is a separate legal entity. LLCs are simpler and cheaper, with less paperwork, more time to grow. For 90% of new founders, an LLC fits. Choose a C Corp if you'll seek VC funding. VCs prefer stock, multiple classes, unlimited shareholders. Trade-off: stricter rules, board, different tax structure, sometimes double taxation. You don't have to pick the state where your customers are. Remote businesses often pick business-friendly states: Delaware, Wyoming, and Nevada. Delaware's respected corporate law makes it top for VC-bound C Corps. Wyoming is great for LLCs with strong privacy and low annual fees. For most online businesses, Wyoming or Delaware is a smart bet. With your type and state chosen, you're ready to make it real. Formation is the official registration. You could file on state sites yourself, but it's not ideal for international founders. Use a reputable online formation service: Stripe Atlas, Doula, Inkfile, LegalZoom. They handle the paperwork correctly with the state. A small investment that saves time and stress. You'll provide basics: company name, your details, and owner names, members for an LLC. Appoint a registered agent, a local address to receive official mail, required by law and protects your privacy. Most services include this for the first year. Next, get your employer identification number, your business's SSN. It's required for banking, hiring, and filing taxes. It used to be clunky for non-residents. Now it's easier. Services like Doula or Stripe Atlas can handle the EIN application for you. They know the forms and process for foreign founders. When your EIN arrives, keep the IRS letter safe. It's one of your most important documents. Your company is registered, and you have your EIN. Now, set up a way to get paid. Open a US business bank account to separate finances, protect legally, and make it easy for clients to pay. Domestic transfers are simpler and cheaper. You no longer need a US visit. Fintech made remote opening possible. Mercury and Relay are online-first banks friendly to international founders with a US company and EIN. Open a fully functional, FDIC-insured account from abroad. Game changer. Use processors. Stripe is the gold standard. PayPal is easy for freelancers. For Stripe, you need a US company, an EIN, and a US bank account. Move US dollars to India, Pakistan, or Bangladesh affordably. Wise or Payoneer offer better rates and lower fees than traditional banks. Link Mercury to Wise and transfer funds smoothly. Your stack: Stripe to accept payments, Mercury for US banking, Wise to move money home. Running a US business means following US rules, especially taxes. It can feel intimidating, but with basics and the right help, it's manageable. Obligations depend on your entity and whether you have a US presence. For remote founders selling digital products or services from abroad, rules can be favorable. But ignoring rules can mean serious penalties. Take it seriously from day one. A foreign-owned LLC without US employees or offices is often straightforward. The LLC may not owe US income tax itself. You must file informational returns, Form 5472 and Form 1120, to report activities and ownership. You typically pay income tax on profits in your home country, according to local laws. Check if your country has a tax treaty with the US to avoid double taxation. Hire a good US-based CPA or firm for international founders. Do not DIY US taxes. They'll handle forms, deadlines, and compliance. It's an investment in peace of mind. Beyond taxes, protect yourself with simple agreements. Services, scope, price, payment schedule, 50% upfront, 50% on completion, and timeline. Use HelloSign or DocuSign for easy digital signatures. With legal and financial foundations set, build your online presence, a professional space to find you, learn, and pay. You don't need a big budget. Amazing low-cost tools make you look big even as a team of one. Start free and upgrade as revenue grows. For services, WordPress, Squarespace, or Wix, professional templates, no code. Create clear service pages, showcase work, and tell your story. Selling products or downloads. Shopify handles catalog to checkout and connects to Stripe. Communicate like a pro across time zones. Zoom or Google Meet for calls, Slack for quick, organized messaging. Keep the back office tight. Wave for free accounting and invoicing. Upgrade to QuickBooks or Xero as you grow. Manage projects with Trello, Asana, or Notion. Run lean from day one. A beautiful site and US banking mean nothing until you have a paying customer. Finding those first clients is hard and rewarding. Don't do everything at once. Focus on one or two channels. Get a first sale, learn, then build momentum. 3 paths to a customer. Cold email isn't spam. Curate a small, perfect fit list. Find the right person, head of marketing or a small business CEO. Mention something specific about them and propose one clear way to help. Aim to start a conversation. Content marketing, blogs, short videos, social updates. Example: 5 common website mistakes small businesses make. Demonstrate expertise and share where customers hang out. Marketplaces are full of buyers. They handle payments and bring you US audience. Early positive reviews build social proof. Focus on one channel, deliver amazing service, and let your reputation grow. We've covered idea, legal setup, and first customers. It's a lot. Take one step at a time. Print this and cross off each item. 1. Pick one specific product or service. Make it simple and clear. 2. Do 1 hour of market research. Check 3 competitors and pricing. 3. Decide LLC versus C Corp. For most, it's an LLC. 4. Choose a state, Wyoming or Delaware, and sign up with Doula or Stripe Atlas. 5. Let them apply for your EIN. 6. Shortlist Mercury or Relay for banking. 7. Launch a one-page website or Upwork the Etsy profile with prices. 8. Find your first potential customer and send a personalized message. 9. Keep clear records of money and contracts. 10. Start looking for a US-based accountant for international founders. You can do this. Take the first step today. Start small, learn and build steadily. Your US business is waiting.